this hurts me to do this. It's just not as clean as the front one was. Like you can kind of see there's... Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some different things to protect my new 2026 Toyota Corolla LE. I have some seat covers that I'm going to put on. I have a screen protector for the screen, and then I also have a sunshade. Let's get to it. Ooh, okay. I think I read when I got these, this is like a faux leather. You know, it has a nice feeling to it. I'm gonna start with this seat. It just says to slide this over the top here. Okay, so one issue already is with these things, it's saying to put them through like the crease, the gap in the seat here. And then it's showing here on the back. So like they would come out the back here and then you would turn them to secure it in place. The only problem is this is sealed shut. This is like sewed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the clips through the seat and then just use my hand once they go through to try to turn them vertically like this. And hopefully they will stay into place. Okay, so I can feel that one turn. Let's do the same thing on this one. Okay, let's put on this part now. There's these two clips here. These clips here, I'm just gonna, just like that. I think they look pretty good. They're, you know, they fit well. There's a little bit of space in here and stuff, but I think overall they fit well. All right, here's one of the front headrest covers. So I'm just gonna put that over the top like that. It's kind of a tight fit, but the Velcro can still get on there. Like I'm tying a shoelace. Something like that, I guess. And then I'm just gonna shut. I'm gonna do the next seat here, the driver's seat, and then I'll be back to show you what the front looks like. Then we'll move on to the back. All right, guys, here is how the driver's seat came out. I think they look good. Okay, so here's the back seat cover. I'm just trying to get it kind of fit into place somewhat here. Firmly press the foam roller into the gap. Well, the gap is not at where the back meets the bottom. It's a little higher. So I'm just gonna push these into the gap. We'll kind of see what it comes out like. I'll have to push that one more in, but it was kind of hard to with this one. Not in yet. Okay. I'm just kind of getting this into place here. I'm gonna take out the seat belts. No, some type of like stain or something on this. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna move the seats down so I can start to make this look better back here. Okay, so there's this strap here. Here's this one. Fit that over. Let's see here. Fix that strap. There we go. Gotta keep this seat belt out here. I think I'm gonna have to probably tuck some of this in because there's just too much slack. Okay, let me get the other side. I'm guessing this goes here. You know, there's a little bit of slack back here and stuff. You know, getting the seat belts, you know, the place where you plug the seat belt in to fit correctly. I'm kind of concerned a little too because there's like a zipper here. I don't want it scratching the plastic, so I just got to be aware of that. Okay, so there's these 3 different clips here, and I'm just going to fit them between this part here and then the seat here. And I'll start with this one. It just kind of slid in there. Doing the same with that one. Here's the last one. And just making sure they're in there all the way. I think that's going to kind of help hold this in place. And There's these like straps here too, so there's one on each of the sides, so I'm just kind of fitting them as I can around the bottom part of the seat. And then here's this one here, and yeah, just fitting it as I can, you know, between the seat and then the carpet here, and then there's some plastic over here, and just getting them fit in. So I'm happy with the idea of it protecting the seat. It's just not as clean as the front one was. Like, you can kind of see there's the foam roller popped out. I don't even know if I can get it back in at this point, but I can't even get that up to the part really where it would go in. There's no way for me to tie these bottom parts because, like, you know, I can't go underneath here because it's sewed into the seat. So I guess what's going to happen here is those I'll just tuck back up inside into the headrest cover. I guess this is maybe for a different car that might have the headrest in the middle here. I'm just going to use this piece to just help hold this in place. Okay, next is I bought a screen protector for the screen here to try to help protect it. This one came with 2 screen protectors, I think. So if I mess up, I got an extra one. I'm gonna, like, personally, like, this screen's pretty new. I'm going to skip, I think, the cleaning wipe, and I'm just going to use this cloth here to clean the screen. There are, if you want to use, there are specific installation instructions. We're gonna just kind of roll with this and see how it goes down. Okay, I'm using my dust removal sticker to try. I saw like a little piece of dust right here. That's like usually the toughest thing with these is like all the dust that kind of falls. The nice thing about this though is the screen is vertical. Oh. Be careful, I guess. When I started to tear that, I started to tear this off with it. So I think what we need to do here is this way we can line this up. Man, that dust just really does show up. Check for dust again one last time. It's looking good, so I'm just going to lower this down and hopefully have it in place. I'm just kind of letting it do its thing for a moment. And so I'm just kind of getting it in place, and then I'm going to peel the outer part off, and then we'll make sure there are no bubbles. So now, okay, I'm going to peel off this outer part. On a bigger screen protector like this, I'd imagine there's going to be more bubbles. Like, I'm just kind of working them gently towards the edges. I'm not pressing hard on the screen. I'm just using the squeegee here. All right, guys, take a look right here. I'm bummed out. I messed up. I got it too far on the right, and I cannot get this bubble right here to go out because I think it's touching the edge of the plastic, so it's not allowing the screen protector to seal. So what that means is I have to do this again. So I have to take this screen protector off, which I don't even know. Let's try to figure this out here. This hurts me to do this. Okay, I'm going to do the second one here. And hopefully when I come back and show you this, it all looks good. I got it right on the second time, so it looks good now. Okay, last thing for today's video, Windshield Sun Shade. Here it is. Looks like it comes in a bag here. Oh, I saw a card in there. It's windy today if you can't tell. This silvery side goes facing out, Okay, so there's a Velcro part right here. Once we have it fit in here, can use the visors here. To hold it in place. This must be for when we seal it up. All right, so I'm gonna fold it in half, twist in opposite directions. I feel like it's starting to, I think I got it. And then there's this strap here that I got out, and I'll just put that around it like that. Kind of hold it in place. There's a bag for it too here. I'm sure once I do that enough, I'll probably get the hang of it. But then there's just a nice little storage bag. Okay, so here are my thoughts. I really like the front seat covers. I'm not all the way sold on the back seat covers, actually, to the point where I don't know what I'm going to do with the seat covers at this point. I really like how they fit on the front seats. It felt more like exact. It felt more like meant for the front seats. The back seat, it just doesn't seem to fit perfect. There's a lot of like slack, and I just don't like the way it looks. I really like the screen protector. I'm glad that I had 2 chances because I messed up the first one. And, you know, hopefully this will help keep the screen protected long term. I also really like the Windshield Sun Shade. Think that this is a nice addition to just help protect my car. And I don't think it's too much of a hassle to put up or take down. But I'm curious to know what you guys think about the seat covers, about the screen protector, and about the Windshield Sun Shade, or if you have other ideas on how I can protect my car. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.